Hello everyone and welcome to a new HyperWorks tutorial. Today we will create a panel mesh. To begin, go into File, open HyperMesh Model, and browse to the file associated with this exercise. Next, go to the Mesh ribbon under 2D Mesh and select Panel Mesh. Select all the surfaces displayed and mesh the model with element size 100. Now, to change the density, select the edge highlighted here and change the edge density to 4. Next, select Face Edit. Select the unmeshed surface at the front. Map as rectangle with quad elements using corner selections. Pick the 4 points and confirm the face mapping. Still inside the Face Edit tool, clear the surface selection and rotate the model to identify the surfaces mapped as triangles both in the bottom and top views. Select the first blue surface in the bottom view and map as triangle, try a corner with quad elements. Repeat for the other triangle. Zoom in to the last small surface on the right. Select the blue surface and map as triangle, try a corner with quad elements using corner selection. Pick 3 points and confirm the face mapping. The first point selected in the triangle will be the furthermost corner. Rotate the model and repeat the previous steps to match the 3 surfaces as triangles in the top view. Close the panel mesh tool and check your final mesh.